Kurumirira uteti uria ukoretwo ku bururi-ini aingi ao njoria mambite kurugama meterere githurano gwikwo na bururi utige gukorwo na wagagu.
We have consistently called Kenyans' attention to the disastrous economic consequences of the president's uncertainty, which affects all Kenyans. The private sector, having reviewed the loss, has estimated it to be about 10% of the GDP equivalent, which is about Kenya shillings 700 billion in total to date. And that is only in the 4 months.
Riboti iria irekereirio ni KEPSA ironania hari honge iria ihutitio muno ni ruhonge rwa ugendi kuona ni ruthiite thi na gicunji kia 30 hari igana. Ruhonge rwa ukui ona ruo no rugite na ihura gugituika matete shilingi milioni 75 kuma hari shilingi milioni 300 iria mathukumaga o muthenya. Riboti ino no yonanitie ati mishemanio na maundu ma bata ma kibururi maria mabangitwo gwikwo guku bururi-ini ni makanjitwo na ati onjoria kuma nja ya bururi ni maguithetie mwihoko wao wa kurehe utonga wao bururi-ini.
This is money lost amongst every Kenyan, and that means that a lot of people around the country are without much resources. Their livelihoods have been affected, jobs have been lost, and this trickles down to everyone, and therefore the pinch is being felt by everyone around the country.
Ngwataniro ya KEPSA iroria Kenya maikie kura na thayo niguo maundu macoke haria mabatie na niguo tuthie na mbere na mihango ya gukuria utonga wa bururi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, retwo riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.